Yaptım.
Oh my god.
Ver onu.
Are you good? Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm Mountain.
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely different. The way you make.
You hungry again?
What?
In that. No way. Just making grilled cheese over here. My poor baby.
일단 오늘부터 제가 가게 입장권 판매한 거야.
What is happening?
Right here. Look at my eyes. No meow, okay?
Let's see a handstand. Damn straight.
It's gonna be hot.
Meow if you're pretty.
Oh. This. You didn't like that. Thank you, I wasn't sure. What are you doing? What are you? Ow!
Come on.
I like to be a peeping Tom if I can. I'll watch your whole family eat dinner.
Oh my god, pumpkin, pumpkin! Belly, so chunky. I'm so sorry.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, sorry. Pippin, no! Stop it!
Sir, you can come in if you really want, but I don't think you really want to be in here.
Close the lines, Jack. Good boy, Jack.
Oh, are you okay?
D'accord.
No, God, please, no! No! No!
Oh no. Oh no. Wonder why there's dogs like not wanting to go downstairs. Oh. Oh.
Nah, nah, nah.
I don't know. No, but that's perception. That's her perception. That's not how you deliver.
Have your tail? Can I have your neck?
The whole bath.
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely different. The way you make.
Hey! Hey!
How are you doing this?
Oh my god. It's not okay.
What are you doing?
Are you an elf? Oh my god.
Why are you so cute?
Hey, bestie.
Please give them to me or I will take them.
Come on, bro. It's not that bad being a chicken.
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely the way you make.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. A 50 pizza!
Alarm me on her.
Oh my god, no. Hey, what's up?
I'm not fat, okay? I'm just really.
What are you doing? Don't you dare do that. Gentle. Hey, come on.
Him. My cat is sitting just right. Oh my gosh, you can.
What? Yeah. There's a strong possibility.
Okay, you don't want to kiss me?
Personal space is like not a thing when it comes to my cat. He
Go bang. Good boys. I didn't even see her up there.
David, you take for me.
Do you want some treats? Yeah.
Lizzie.
Mike's cottage cheese. Want somebody?
You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall.
Hey, Kelly. Kelly.
You okay?
Whoa. Whoa.
Here you go, big guy.
Do it.
oh fuck.
Why are you mad at me?
Hey, no! Get off your sister! What is it?
Oh.
ancient times, white cats were considered a symbol of wealth and good fortune. In England, people believed they brought money, and in Japan, that they protected against evil spirits. So if you...
Bagel, no! Bagel!
Oh my god. Which one of you guys did this?
Who got the flower?
Was it you? Or was it you?
Cody, what did you do?
Because I don't know why you even left it open. If you was done, you'd have came... Girl.
Here it comes.
Because I don't know why you even left it open. If you was done, you'd have came... Girl.
No. No.
Bam, 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 breakfast, bams.
I ain't got no pass.
They're hard to photograph well, so they often go unnoticed.
What's that?
Say something.
This dog's kind of crazy with it. Hey, fool. What you woo-woo-wooing at me, fool? Don't grab at me. I gotta watch.
Jerry! Jerry! Think about it. It's a baby.